An official open source update allows us to achieve such global references or character replacement effects. So this is the official page. As you can see, especially when it comes to global references, the effect will be very good. Replacing the subject here, I think you still need to pick the image carefully. Moreover, it can provide consistent lighting and color reproduction, effectively relighting the video. After transferring the character, it won't feel stiff or be restricted by fixed camera angles. Then let's take a look at the workflow. I'm using RunningHub, the largest online Comfy operation platform worldwide. The update is very fast. In just one day, it has already supported the process adapted from KJ's example. Here, I completed a main subject replacement task. The core change still revolves around a new node. For input items, there are directly embedded reference images, extracted post videos, and motorcycle movement, which is simple post control with facial control images. These facial control images are actually helmet parts of the background image and corresponding masks from this section, similar to VSC in YN 2.1. We need to cover the areas we want to hide using black blocks. This is an example workflow. Width, height, frame number, and frame rate. Determine the necessary elements for video generation. The reference image I've already aligned, so no further adjustments are needed. After completing the inputs, we need to turn off 2 free and enable left 1 to perform keyframe selection. Keyframe selection will extract the first frame of our video. Therefore, we should pay attention. If we want to replace the main subject in the video, it must appear in the first frame. Then we perform keyframes on the first frame, marking the area we want to extract as green points and the area to exclude as red points. We can perform keyframes across the video's left and right sides. Once keyframes are set, we can activate group 2 or groups 2 and 3 together. This uses CMQ, a special method for video mapping. It sequentially nests frames forward to form a continuous video map as previously introduced. We can send in the background and mask. If we disconnect both background and mask, it corresponds to character animation. Finally, we can run group 3. The large model is a 2.2 model trained based on image-to-video models. However, strangely enough, for images, we need to encode them and can compare an accelerated LoRA model. If we use the 2.2 LoRA model and feed in controlled videos, the 2.2 LoRA does not weaken dynamic navigation. Clicking on RunningHub AI or clicking the link in the description will get you 12 HP per day. Logging in daily gives you another 100 points. Corresponding AI workflows and one-click AI applications have been synchronized online and can be run and tested online. Now let's look at the character animation part. In this section, we completely disconnect the background, allowing us to refer to all elements of the entire image. The background also changes accordingly. If we